Welcome to our virtual road test of this very special 2008 08 plate Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. It's done only just 59,000 miles. We've got full service history for it. It's just had a full service courtesy of our friends at Janspeed, which also includes a bore score report, which comes out absolutely perfect. The oil was changed, the filters were checked, no signs of any particles, and the bores look absolutely immaculate. So mechanically it is superb. We're just taking it for a run down the road to give it a little test on this nice wet road after we've cleaned and prepped it. It drives superbly. We've run around in it for a couple of days and put a few miles on it. It hasn't had a great deal of use in the last couple of years. It's been stored in a garage. So we've put a 12-month MOT on it and we've done a full service. So it's had all the filters changed, plugs, gearbox oil was all checked. It had a big service last year, to be fair, but it's had an additional service done by us as well, just to be absolutely sure. It goes up and down the gearbox perfectly smoothly, really nice. The Tiptronic works, goes up and down on the steering paddle change. We've got 2 keys for it. I put all the information on about the options on the advert listing because it's got just over £10,000 worth of options. So for me to list them all now would be absolutely impossible almost. But it's got everything. It's got the chrono pack. It's got the Alcantara headlining. It's got the big 19-inch turbo alloys on it. It's absolutely loaded. It's got every possible option on it. I think you could have ticked at the time. And it's a superb looking car in deep black with the polished alloys on it. And driving it down the road, as I said, it's a superb driving car. I'd love to keep it for myself. I really would. We've got all the book pack for it. We've got 2 keys. We've got the service history. The pedigree is impeccable, basically, and it's very, very difficult to fault it. I could wax lyrical about it all day long, but you really need to come and see it. You need to come and have a look at it. You can take it for a test drive. You can have any inspection done on it that you absolutely would like to get done. We are more than confident that the car is first class. So I will leave it at that. So if there is any further information you would like on it, or if you'd like to come and have a look and to test drive it, then please do give us a call or drop us a line.